typhoon warning in effect. New information. A typhoon warning has now been issued. A typhoon warning means typhoon conditions, including winds of more than 73 miles an hour, are expected within the next 24 hours. Final preparations to protect life and property should be completed today before conditions deteriorate tonight. Typhoon-force winds and heavy rains will cause widespread damage. Secure loose outdoor objects which can be blown around. If you live in a tin roof home, plan to leave it for more substantial shelter. Boat owners should secure their craft. Now is the time to complete preparations for protection of life and property. Marine interests need to complete preparations according to your emergency operations plan for tropical cyclones. If you live on a boat, make final preparations for securing your craft. Small craft should remain in port and well secured. Closely monitor NOAA weather radio or other local news outlets for official storm information. Listen for possible changes to the forecast. For additional precautionary preparedness information, please refer to the detailed recommendations relative to your location as further described by our local National Weather Service office and local emergency management agency.